Okay, good afternoon.
Good day, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good day po. I'm Rosel Katigay, 29 years old. I live in Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate, single, and no child. I am the eldest in the family and I have one younger brother.
Tell us about your previous experience as a domestic helper.
I'm experienced as domestic helper in last August 22, January 2025. Take care the kids, preparing the meal, breakfast, because my employer has the work. Then after that, go to dishes, wash the clothes, and ironing. Then take care their son.
Okay, so do you have household tasks? What is your favorite household task?
Cleaning.
Okay, and how about your less?
Cooking.
Okay.
Because the cook is the
Okay, so how do you handle challenging situations or conflicts within the house?
First, I see the problem and I see the solution. Then talk to my employer.
Are you comfortable following specific instructions and routines?
Yes, ma'am.
What motivates you to work as a domestic helper, and what are your long-term career goals?
Because of my family, to earn and to provide their needs. Then after my contract in Hong Kong, if ever my employer extend me, I will stand. If ever then not, I will go to Philippines and business.
Are you open to learning new skills or undergoing additional training if required?
Yes, ma'am. I will to learn.
What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Sometimes, my free time is first to pray to God, then